Hello, my dear CMA interest students. So, finally, tomorrow will be our exam paper number 10 Corporate Accounts and Auditing. So, I know you are very much busy with your hectic schedule, but this video will be help you out for planning the next 24 hours on this paper. So, without any further delay, let me enter into the content of this video. You know that in paper number 10, we have two subjects, corporate accounts as well as audit. Some of the students, as per my experience, they'll ignore one subject completely. Some guys ignores accounts. Some people ignores audit completely. That is not a correct thing. So please give equal importance to both the subjects. If your examination paper like accounts will be difficult for you, definitely in that case audit will be help you out. Same vice versa. If your audit paper is difficulty, then accounts paper will be help you out to clear your group. So next 20 years, what we have to do, sir? So that is this video. So before that, you have to be very careful with respect to weightage of chapters. So let me tell you what is the weightage of corporate accounts chapter wise and what is the weightage of auditing chapter wise and how to plan this entire coming next one day to give effectively in your examination. So you know that corporate accounting for 50 marks, auditing for 50 marks. In corporate account, this is the weightage. First one, Indian accounting standards, 1/7 plus 1/2 marks. So I clearly told you in our regular classes so many times. So particularly Ind AS is very important for CMA interest student. Definitely, as per my guess and as per my prediction, definitely that 7-mark question will be comes from your material only. Otherwise, they'll change just numbers or names. That too, my guess is this time either Ind AS 33 or Ind AS 19. If Ind AS 33, they will ask you basic EPS, diluted EPS. If Ind AS 19, they will ask you to some plan assets, written off assets, that question. So if you go by order wise, first complete Ind AS 33, then Ind AS 19, then Ind AS 2 and 10, and at last remaining one, all those things. So please give special focus on Ind AS 33 as well as 9. And they will ask you one MCQ from Ind AS that might be from Ind AS 2, 10 or 1. So please be careful with respect to MCQ. That will be very much easy. The second one, very much confident chapter is banking, electricity, insurance. This is the one set of chapters. Ikkad nunchi manaki 1/7 plus 7 plus 2, 2 sevens plus 1 2-mark question. So very much easily question. As per my guess, they will not ask you to prepare balance sheet P&L. If they ask, I can't do anything. But as per my prediction, they don't ask all those things because that will be 14-mark question. As per my guess, they will ask you 2 sevens plus 1 MCQ. MCQ is very important. They may ask you from insurance or electricity. Sometimes banking, if you remember, 25% of reserves we should transfer to capital fund. That question they may ask. So please be very cautious with respect to banking, electricity, insurance. Next one, third one, Schedule 3 chapter, 114-mark question plus 1 MCQ. 14-mark question in detail in our marathon. In our marathon, I discussed how to get 10 out of 14 marks. You have to first draw the pro forma and you have to write some direct items, whatever they have given, and some adjustments are required. Please follow the marathon for the schedule 3. At least spend whatever the time on schedule 3 in our YouTube channel. If you spend at least 15 to 20 minutes on schedule 3 marathon, definitely you will attempt the 14-mark question. That is my guarantee. But sorry guys, that video is in Telugu plus English mode. So Telugu students can easily understand the entire content. Next one, cash flow statement. So that is also 1 7 plus 1 2 mark MCQ is very easy. That is damn sure you can easily answer it. But 7 mark question they may ask directly or indirect method. So please go through the pro forma. That is also I covered in marathon, but that is not in detailed manner. Last one, underwriting and remaining chapters. From those areas, they may give 7 plus 7 plus 2. I wrote 7 plus 2, but they may ask you 7 plus 7 plus 2. So this is overall weightage of corporate accounts. Sir, tell me what shall I do to prepare this entire chapters? Very much easy. I clearly detailed discuss in marathon, but this time is not that much sufficient to cover the entire marathon. So I'm not suggesting you to go through the entire marathon. I'm suggesting you that wherever you feel low, go through the marathon. For example, schedule 3. That is the best one to go through the marathon. If you follow the marathon, definitely you will understood how to write examination question in answer sheet. Next one, India is 33 or India is 19. If you are okay, that's fine. If you are not okay, go to the marathon, which is available on our YouTube channel. Next one, coming to audit. Audit is a very scoring paper, but students might not accept my words, but this is a fact, because you can observe the weightage which is on your screen. First one, company audit plus cost audit and CS audit. From these two areas, they will ask you 20 marks. That is not a joke. Next one, audit of different types of undertaking. From those areas, 11 marks. Number 3, audit of various items of financial statement. From that area, 17. Only 3 chapters you are getting 38 out of 50. If you are expert, if you are perfect with the three chapters, definitely you will get very good marks. Sir, first one, company audit and cost audit and CS audit. My students definitely they are very good with respect to concept. Other students in marathon, I detailedly discussed complete company audit and CS audit and cost audit. In our students also, if you have any doubts in some areas of company audit, cost audit, CS audit, go to the marathon once and make it in 1.5 speed. It will be very comfortable. If you are okay, no need to go to the marathon. But second chapter, I'm requesting all the students, whoever watching this video, especially my dear Telugu students, audit of different types of undertaking. They will ask you 11 marks. So please, 11, if you bifurcate, 1 7 mark question plus 2 MCQs. I will tell you very easily how to get 10 out of 11 or 9 out of 11, please. So whoever watching this video, audit of different types of undertaking, I clearly in detailed manner I covered in our YouTube channel marathon. Please, everybody should go to the marathon. You can easily go to the timestamps. There is clearly timestamps available there. So just go to that particular chapter. If any question they will ask, if they will ask you hospital or educational institution, restaurant, lodge, any question they ask you, I gave some tips to get 5 out of 7 marks. Please go to that marathon. Definitely it will help you. That is my guarantee. And remaining 2 MCQs, as per my guess, they will ask you from either cooperative societies or they will ask you from local self-governments. Please be focused on those areas. Number 3, audit of different items of financial statement. This is also students will little bit difficulty. This is also I covered in marathon. So my point is not to watch entire marathon, man. My point is very clear. Whenever you feel not comfortable, then please go to marathon and please watch those particular chapter only as per timestamps available there. Definitely it will help you out. If you have time, go through the audit risk and audit engagement and audit report. In audit report, please, I highlighted those 2 areas. They are asking repeatedly those questions. One is NFRA, second one is IFSC. In recent 2 examination, they have asked those 2 questions. So this time I'm not expecting, but don't take a risk. Let's see how they will do. Please go through NFRA and IFSC. Let's see. I hope there will be a hat trick. Last one, standards and auditing. They're asking 1 MCQ. Maybe they might not. some names, especially some important standards like SCO 230, SCO 530. 230 is documentation, 530 is sampling. 320, 500, please check all those standard names. That is also I covered in marathon. You can go through our material also, that is enough. So that's it, guys. So be positive. Before that, MCQs mukyam bigilu, because if you score 25 or 26 plus in MCQ, definitely you will get 60 plus in our paper. So please be very careful while answering your MCQs. Before bubbling, please check twice. Okay, if you get 26 plus in MCQ, definitely you will get 60 plus in our entire paper. So please check twice before bubbling your MCQs. Sometimes both the answers looks like correct only, but they are not. You have to be very careful. So without any further delay, just I want to say all the best and good luck from our BCCA team side. So I hope definitely you will get very good marks in our paper. After completion of your exam, come back to this video and give your comment how the paper is, how you feel it. Thank you. All the best.